Yes, ladies and gentlemen, sorry for the interruption. Was interrupted and got disconnected, but we're back on. We're back on. DJ Creid coming to you, Rabah Reggae Praise Radio, lifting up the name of Jesus Christ and telling of his goodness and his mercy. Yes, we are here. Yes, this is Joseph Niles, Joseph Smile, when we all get to heaven. Yes, me, I tell him I'm P.N.I.C. is in the place. This is DJ Creid coming to you, and we are here to lift up the name of Jesus Christ and to tell you of his goodness and his mercy.
Rabah Reggae Praise Radio, spreading the gospel of Jesus through music.
That's what it is. Oh yeah. Hey, he will pick you up out of your sin. Sometimes your burden may get heavy, and your best friend, you can't find them nowhere. Just lean on the man we call Jesus. And all of you.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the man said, that's Kenny Roberts. Yes, said he love your Jesus. There's power in the name of Jesus Christ. I want to say shout out to everyone who tuning in. We got disconnected, but to be back on live. Yes, this is DJ Creid coming to you. You're tuning into Rabah Reggae Praise Radio. This is a production of Rabah International Sound. I implore you, yes, to go to our website. Check out our website. You'll get to know more about us. Yeah, there's so many things you can see on our website. Check out our website. Also, you can email us. Our email is on the screen right there. Our website, our web address is right there on the screen. Yes, take it down, take a picture of it, and, as your memory, I'll write it down, or take a note of it, or lock it into your phone. All right? Reach out and touch us. DJ Creid coming to you, and lock this number in your phone, 347-753-4190, because if you hear someone say they're going to put on a party or something, and they're looking for a DJ, call Rabah International Sound Production. If you know somebody going to do some a product promotion and need PA system or they need audio system, call Rabah International Sound. Our number is 347-753-4190, and right there you have the email address. And also you can message us through Messenger. You can call us through Messenger also. All right, just go to our web, just type up my name, Candy Core Reid, Candy Core Rabah Reid, into Facebook, and you find me right on Facebook. You can just can call me straight from Facebook on my number. All right, DJ Creid, reach out and touch me anytime, anywhere. All right, message me, email me, text me, just do it. All right, tell somebody about me. Tell somebody about Rabah International Sound. Admin Gerald is in the place too. Admin, they can call you too.
Yeah, 347-983-3134.
Do it again.
347-983.
Is your mic on?
Yeah. 347-983-3134.
All right, so Admin Gerald, yes, so you can call either me or Admin Gerald, let him know, listen, we want you to come in and what, consultation is free?
Yeah.
Yeah, he said consultation. Also, consultation is free. Yes, just call us. We come in, whatever you have. And let me tell you, we service from medium, from small to medium events. All right, so we have a portable, a mobile, or I would say, so we call it mobile or portable.
That'll be the same thing.
Yeah, all right. So either more, whatever word you want to use, but we have a system, and the thing about our system is we can break it down in size, whatever. We can serve. If you just need one speaker, just one speaker and a mic, we can provide that, don't it?
Yes.
Yes, even just one speaker and a mic, we can provide that. If you want the whole shebang, we can provide that. If you just want him just for a little birthday party, we can do that. If you want it for a community event where you need the whole system, so we can break it down to your size. That's why we said, call us consultation, because you have to consult. Let we do the consultation, that we know what you need, that we bring just what you need. We don't want to bring more than what you need, and we don't want to bring less than what you need. So that's why we consult. You will come in and find out what's your desire, what you're gonna do. And the beauty about this year, about our service, is once you get us on board on your event planning board, we're gonna be there until the day of the event. We are not the person that you only pay us for the service, and when the day come, we come and set up, and no, that's not how we do it. You call us, and we know your event, then we're gonna be there. If you need any advice, if you need any changes done, and when changes, we're not gonna charge you extra for changes. So this is how we do it, because we want to work with you. It's a community-based thing, and we want you to enjoy what we do. And because we are enjoying what we do right now, and we want to to share it with you guys. This is a community thing. All right, Rabah Reggae Praise Radio is connecting worldwide community. Yes, worldwide community, because we are on the World Wide Web, anywhere in the world. All right, so reach out and touch us. So too bad we cannot reach in other countries to come to provide our service, but right here in our community, where we Admin Gerald.
Yeah.
We service the 5 boroughs?
The tri-state area, right?
Tri-state area. We service the tri-state area, and including the 5 boroughs, of New York City. All right. So Connecticut, New York, and New Jersey we service. So if you're in Connecticut, you can call us. If you're in New Jersey, you can call us. Or if you are in New York City, you can call us. We come in and we provide audio system. We provide DJ service. We provide event planning. Whatever it is, reach out and touch us. All right, DJ Creid coming to you. Rabah Reggae Praise Radio. Yes, I tell you, Colleen Davis coming down. All right. We're getting ready to get out of here. 10 more minutes. So call up your auntie, your mother, your granny, your sister, your brother, and tell them DJ Creid live on Facebook, playing foot stamping, bad rocking, and soul stirring music.
This is Rabah Reggae Praise Radio, a Rabah International sound production.
Of love. Brother JT, testify.
Lord, I lift your name on high. Lord, I love to sing your praises. Yeah. I'm so glad you're in my life. And I'm
introducing to the world DJ Creid. Them shoulda know, so what? Creid the boy, yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the kingdom.
DJ Creid, #1 selector. Truly. Anything that I say,
DJ Creid, NY's Christian DJ, makes you stomp your feet, rock your body, while he stirs your soul.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the kingdom.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Sanchez is in the place. DJ Creid coming to your Rabah Reggae Praise Radio. Yes, if you're just checking in, you're checking in. Welcome to the kingdom.
In this world I'm living
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the kingdom.
done forbidden things I shouldn't do. I asked a beggar along the way, could you tell me where to stay, where I could find real happiness and the love that's true. Across the bridge there'll be no sorrow. Across the bridge there'll be no pain. The sun will shine across the river, and you'll never be unhappy again. Praise His name. Put your hands together now. Oh, let's just praise His name. Follow the footsteps of the King. Do you hear the voices ring? They'll be singing out the glory of the land. Oh, River Jordan will be near. The sound of trumpets you will hear, and you'll be off to that special place never known to man. So across the bridge there'll be no sorrow. Across the bridge there'll be no pain. The sun will shine across the river, and you'll never be unhappy again. Everybody now.
Rabah Reggae Praise Radio. We play foot-stamp, body rocking, and soul-stirring inspirational music in reggae, calypso, soca, R&B, soul, and jazz.
Yes, I want to say shout out to Andrew Green, Tony. Thank you, Andrew, for checking in. Also, Anthony Newby. Yes, Brother Anthony, thank you. Anthony Newby is up there in the United Kingdom. Thank you, Brother Anthony. Shout out to you and the family up there in the United Kingdom. And Everton Harris, thank you, Eva, for checking in. All right, DJ Creid coming to you, Rabah Reggae Praise Radio. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have 3 minutes to get out of here, and it was a beautiful, beautiful Saturday morning, interacting with you and being, touching base with you guys. Every Saturday morning, 10 a.m. to 12 noon, we are here, right here, to reach out and touch you. We want to connect with our community, Rabah Reggae Praise Radio community. Go to our website, go to the Facebook and sign up and check in and be a member of our group. You have fans of faith in Rabah Reggae Praise Radio. You have Rabah Reggae Praise Radio group, and also you have Rabah International's sound production group. You connect with one of those groups. Yes, our event coming up next year, our anniversary event coming up next year, a Mother's Day, pre-Mother's Day, gospel experience coming up next year. You know, you want to make sure in the loop when everything start going, and free ticket can giving out, and you know, and the date and time and everything. So you want to in the loop. So go to the group and join, and whatever is going on with Rabah Reggae Praise Radio, you're able to get in. All right, DJ Creid coming to you, Rabah Reggae Praise Radio. We are getting ready to get out of here. Admin Gerald, you have anything last word to say in the morning here?
I'll see you guys at 5.
I'll see you guys at 5. That's what he said. All right. Yes, I want to say shout out to my daughter Shante Reed. Shante, I want to say shout out to her and the family up there, my 3 grandchildren. I want to say beautiful. I love you all. Love you all. DJ Creid coming to you, Rabah Reggae Praise Radio. And let me tell you now, yes, all right. So Wendy Mitchell gonna take us out of here. Wendy Mitchell gonna take us out of here. Take us out of here, Wendy.
Rabah Reggae Praise Radio, spreading the gospel of Jesus through music.
Can you please rewind and come again?
All to Jesus.
Rabah International Sound.